Hello and welcome. I wanted to quickly show the prizes that I will be mailing out for the Dollar Tree Christmas Junk Journal Challenge. I have 2 prizes and I thought it'd be fun to kind of show you what I put in the prizes. I'm going to go through one. It's going to come bundled like this in an envelope. So here's one all packaged up, and here's the other one that I wanted to go through. Before I go through the little junk journal kit, I have to say it has been so fun doing this junk journal, the Dollar Tree Christmas Junk Journal Challenge, and seeing all these amazing journals from dollar store items. It has been really fun. The Facebook group has been a great time. Lots of encouraging words and inspiration. It's just been really, really cool. If you haven't, you can still join the Facebook group if you want and just kind of check out everyone's pictures and videos that they've posted. I'm still going through and making sure that the videos are on the what's it called, playlist. So I keep looking to make sure. I'm sure I've missed a few, but I'm gonna go back and check. This Friday, if you met either deadline, what was it, the 20th and the 30th, 24th, I don't know. But the 30th was the second deadline. On Friday, this Friday, the 4th, we're gonna do the watch party, and we'll have the event set up in the Facebook group, but we will have the watch party to go through and watch together the videos, and it will be really cool because we can comment and say, oh, I really like how you made that tag, or oh, that's such a clever idea, and we can do it and share all those comments at the same time. So exciting. And that will be when I draw the 2 winners for the junk journal kits. I also know that Julie has sent out several of her digital kits from the first round that we drew, the Facebook Live that we did, I don't know, blends together before Christmas. And then this will be a prize, and then the second prize, and then I think, not like first, second, but like 2 prizes is what I meant. And then I'm not sure if Julie's doing another one or not. We have to kind of touch base. So, enough rambling. Here we go. My nose is running, of course, as soon as I start a video. So I went through and have just a few scrap fabric pieces in both of the kits that I thought would be fun. These are actual sample fabrics, so they're a thicker weight. So they're for upholstery, like this one. So just itty bits and pieces of fabric. And then I have these, I guess, applique pieces. Oh, my nose. That I had in my stash. So there's a few of these. So it'd be kind of fun to add. And then I have some lace, bigger pieces, smaller pieces, cream, white. All right, and then I also have, some envelopes that you could add as tuck spots and glassine bags. I have these pieces of wallpaper scraps. Really fun. These are fun to make little pockets out of, tuck spots, just really fun because they're really durable. And then I have some tags. I threw in some heart doilies since Valentine's Day is around the corner. I have these fun playing cards, 2 different styles. I need to go back to the store and see if they have more fun items like this. But these are some retro cards. This is a vintage, it came from a postcard set. So I put 2 in each. They're different chapels, and I just thought it was really cool. Some vocab cards, very retro and cool. Those will be in both of them. I have some of these postcards. These are meant to look retro. They are not. These are new. Another playing card. I threw these in. I'm from Arizona, and so I thought, what the heck? I'm going to throw in some Arizona postcards so that the person can remember that, hey, Kara sent this to me, and she's in Arizona. I put in some fabric, not fabric, this isn't fabric. These are pattern from, you know, making pattern pieces. Really fun to layer, and the sound is awesome. Oh, another, yeah, wallpaper. My brain is not working. I've been on vacation too long. I need to go back to work. Napkins. These are two of my favorite that I have in my stash. I love the peacock and I love these colors. I love. This is a bag that I'm going to organize things in and put in there along with this bag. And then I have in my stash, I don't even know where I got this, but I'm parting with it. I have like 1 or 2 sheets left and I'm sharing it with the winners. It is this embossed, it almost feels like fabric, but it's not. It's paper and it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. All right, and then these 2 retro cards that I found at a thrift store. The bunny, since, you know, Easter's around the corner. This is fallish, but it could be garden, farm, spring. Had this in my stash. At one point, I made a little tuck spot, and I did some sewing, so I just tossed that in there. This is from a cool book that I have, and it's about using dried flowers to make wreaths. And I thought this was kind of fun to add into a journal. I didn't do a lot of book pages because I felt like we have book pages, right? Music sheets, though, if you're new, you might not. Another favorite of mine to toss in a journal is this ledger paper. And then this is just a fun kind of script paper I have in my stash. The papers are different between the 2 prizes. So this is going to be a prize, and it's going to end up looking magically like this. And then I will send it off, and someone can use these fun things in their next junk journal. I think that'll be fun. Okay, again, check for the event in the Facebook group. I'll have the information below for the watch party, and it's been super fun. And Julie and I are going to make it a quarterly. We're kind of, she has ideas how to set up the Facebook group part. If we're gonna change the Facebook group anyway, we're gonna have a quarterly dollar store challenge. I know that she is starting a new challenge, just using junk in the junk journal, so nothing purchased, I think is what it is for January. But then I know we're gonna do like a quarterly kind of thing, because there was a lot of interest and it was a lot of fun, and we want to keep encouraging that. That just is really cool. All right, enough of me rambling, and have a great crafty day. Bye-bye.